Okay, so here I've got the FLEXTAIL portable wireless air pump here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is really convenient. You can see it's battery powered pump for pumping up tires in your car, bike, pumping up balls, inflatables, etc. So here on the side you've got different controls. There's the power button at the top. There's the mode button here, so with the different modes you can press, so you can set it for car. There's for motorcycle, bike, balls, and then inflatables. And there's car, and then it'll set the pressure there, and then you can adjust that by turning the knob on the side right here. So you can turn the knob here to change the pressure, set the pressure that you want, just like that. Go, and then you can start it by pressing the button, so that will start it. And then there is a flashlight as well here, so you can turn on the light, have it blink, etc. So it's great for emergencies, and you can use it as a power bank too. You can output power as well, so you can charge up your phone, so that is really nice. Does come with a little USB-C cable, so you can use that to charge this up, or use it the other way to charge up your phone. So super cool. Comes with a few different nozzles there, so for balls, for inflatables, and then that's for a bike. And then it comes with a little carrying bag as well. So yes, super convenient. So as you can see, you can use it to pump up footballs, basketballs, etc. You can pump up your car, of course. And really useful for bike tires, scooters, motorcycles as well. So yeah, if you are looking for really convenient portable air pump, definitely check this one out and give it a try.